Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Every kitchen needs a good set of mixing bowls, and I have found a perfect set, and they are green, which makes me so happy. These are by BoxedHome, and it is this really nice set of 4 different sizes of mixing bowls. They nest inside of each other, so when you're storing them, they don't take up any space at all. I find the sizes to be super convenient. They range from this tiny little one that is about 1.5 quarts all the way up to this big one, which is about 4.5 quarts. So tons of range depending on what kind of item you are making. A couple things I really love about them is how lightweight they are. They're not a thick plastic, which I like because when you're cooking and you have stuff in here, the lighter the better because it's easier to work with. They all come with this amazing little spout to make it easy to pour. And they come with this really nice little grip handle, so when you're pouring, it is easy to maneuver, really, really comfortable. And they all come with a nice little rubber bottom, so when you are using them on the counter, you don't have to worry about them sliding. They have a nice little grip to them as well. They are dishwasher safe, which is a must-have in our kitchen. I like having plastic mixing bowls because we have kids, and even me, the heavy glass can be kind of cumbersome when you're baking or making things like that. I love that these are lightweight. They're easy to maneuver. They're easy to use. Super handy. So if you are looking for a nice set of mixing bowls for your kitchen, these really, really are first rate. I love them. They are so convenient and they're just comfortable to work with. And that is our point of view.